everyone is facing the same challenges, and that it's good to have a community to exchange on it.
And I think there's a very positive spirit here from all sides. So all of a sudden, also different fractions and functions come together.
But it's also very encouraging to see that with the challenges, there comes interesting solutions.
My key takeaway so far is how complex it is to become supply chain resilient.
I think the most important things what I can take with me is about how to maintain the supply chain resilient.
Data can come from all kind of data sources, internal ones and external ones.
Key takeaway is relevance of data and AI along the supply chain.
Data is definitely super powerful, and without data we can't take good decisions.